super fucking excited. Okay, so I got the Jeffree Star mystery box, the big boy. I paid $145, and it just came in today at like 11 o'clock. The doorbell rang, and I'm fucking pumped. Okay, so we're going to open this on camera. My husband's here. He wants to see what's in the box too, so I did, you know, scratch out my name because you guys don't need to know where I live. Sorry. So, let's open it. Oh, I'm super excited. Okay, let's see here. It's sealed. I'm untaping it now. I want like my genuine reaction. I want you guys to see like how I react to everything, you know? So, let's cut this bad boy open. I'm so fucking excited. Aren't you excited? Oh, I'm excited. Let's get this bad boy open. Alright, you guys. My kids are sleeping. My husband's like, babe, shut the fuck up. Yeah, we have to film when our kids are napping because we have no other time. And yes, these are the same curls from my last video. Don't fucking judge me, okay? Alright, so here it is. I'm gonna pull the first thing out. I'm gonna try not to look as we go. Okay. First thing, a little bag. Cute. It says, can't relate, I'm gagging. Hi, how are ya? Jeffree Star approved. Iconic. It's cute. It'll be a cute little like grocery bag, or you know, throw some stuff in the kids, like diapers and stuff, and just like to have it in the car to run errands. Super cute. Also, I want to calculate, you know, each item and see how much the box is actually worth, because I paid $145. I want to see how much it is at the end. So my husband's going to be on his phone, kind of, we're going to keep tabs. Oh yay, I actually almost ordered one of these. I almost ordered this separately, and then I was like, wait, I should wait and make sure I don't get it in my mystery bag, because I'm really glad. This exact color, I was going to order this exact one. That's so funny. So this is a little side bag. It's super cute. It says Jeffree Star on the band, and it's just a little bag. It's freaking adorable. There's a little front pocket here. It has a little Jeffree Star logo on there. And let's see what else. There's a big pocket in here. It's so cute. I love it. All right. Okay. I'm reaching in. Tissue paper. Tissue paper. Oh, I don't want to look. Okay. Ooh, what do we have here? Some blue tissue paper with a little sticker. Alright. What is it? What is it? What could it be? Ooh, the Brain Freeze Skin Frost Pro palette. Ooh, let's open this up and see what it looks like. Ooh, I don't have this. I have a bunch of Jeffree Star cosmetic stuff. Oh, it's so pretty. Comes with a little film. These are the colors here. Very, very pretty. Do you guys want me to peel the plastic? Everyone loves that. Are you ready? Oh, yeah. So satisfying. I'm really excited because I don't have a lot of highlighters, so I'm really, really excited about this. Yay! Oh, so far so good. Let's keep going. I think I know what this is. I'm like 99% certain. Since it's wrapped in blue, I'm assuming this is the Blue Blood palette, but you never know. I was really hoping I got the Blood Sugar palette, but I'll take anything, honestly. Called it. I told my husband before this, I was like, I'm gonna get the Blue Blood palette because I really want the Blood Sugar palette. That's just how it's gonna work. This is a beautiful palette, though. It really is. It's gorgeous. Like, look at that. I mean, come on. The packaging, the little clasp. It's broken. So, as you can see, there's a shade right here. I wonder if I can get closer here. That shade is broken and it's all over the palette here. That's a little bit of a bummer. It's just the corner there. I am gonna contact customer service just to like let them know. Maybe they'll send me a new one. It is all over the palette, but this is a really beautiful palette. Like, I could see myself using all of these shades, those two shades, that shade, all these dark shades down here, but this whole middle row really, like, I won't touch it. I'm not a big blue person. I have blue eyes, so blue eyeshadow just looks a little funky on me. But that is really a bummer that that shade's broken. And, you know, it's not their fault. It probably happens. You know, not a big deal. We'll get that taken care of. Alright, ooh. Jeffree Star Pop Socket. That's cute. Pink. Alright, so tissue paper. Ooh, what do we got? The gloss. Alright, this is in the shade Ice Cold. Alright, let's open this bad boy up and see. I do have a few glosses. I don't think I have this one. Oh, yes I do. I do have this one. So I might actually, since I have this one already, gift this to one of my friends. Probably my best friend, Aspen. I'll probably give this to her because I already have it. But this is it. It's just like a shimmery clear gloss. It's got a lot of reflex in it. I actually really like mine. Mine's in my purse. So I think she'll like this. So I'm gonna give that to her. Alright. Got another gloss. It looks like the gloss. I think this is an exclusive. Maybe a soft core sparkle. This has the, you know, the Valentine's Day packaging, so I think this might be an exclusive. Soft core sparkle is what it's called. Let's see. It's definitely a purple. If I can get it open. Oh, maybe it's a red. The bottom of the thing says red. Oh no, it's definitely purple. So it's just like the other one, but it's in a purple. I can do a little swatch here. Don't judge me in my swatches, okay? I'm not a beautuber, okay? That's it. It's really clear. I mean, that honestly would look probably pretty decent over the gloss or the liquid lip I have on right now, because it's kind of like a mauve-y purple nude. So that might be really pretty. And I do wear this lipstick all the time, so it might look good. Alright, what else do we got? Ooh. Restraints. I don't know if this is a lipstick or a liquid lip. We'll see. It's a liquid lip. Oh my god. Restraints. Liquid lip. Let's do a little swatch of this one. It's like a grayish. Oh, it's a little funky coming out. Maybe I should have shook it up. Let's try this. Yeah, it's like a gray, like a metallic gunmetal gray. It's honestly, I like those kind of colors like this. So this actually I might really like. It's coming off more brown on camera. It's not brown. It's definitely like a gunmetal gray. I'm actually really excited for that one. I like those kind of lipsticks, so that's exciting. We have another velour liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Romeo. Ooh, and this is like a baby pink, man. This is like my shirt and my nails. Let's see. Oh, I should shake it. Like last time. Duh, Jamie, did you not learn from the fucking last time? Okay. Oh, it's more like reddish pink here. Ooh, that's really pretty. That's like a classic Jeffree Star color that I think of. Very, very, very pretty pink. I'm not a big pink lipstick person. It just doesn't look good on me. Ooh, here we go. What is this one? This is definitely from the Christmas collection. This is another velour liquid lipstick in the color Mistletoe, which I'm assuming is green, based off the sticker on the back here. Let's see here. Boom. Yep, it's green. I honestly might not swatch this because I don't think I'm gonna use this. So I might gift this to somebody. I just don't see myself using a green liquid lip unless I can use it as like a eyeshadow or an eyeliner, maybe. And I've heard a lot of people do that. So yeah, another one of those. What else do we got? Ooh, I wanted one of these so bad. Lemon Icebox Cookies Velour Lip Scrub. I need a lip scrub so bad. So this is really, really exciting. Alright. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so cute. I love the packaging. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Ooh, let's smell it. Here you go, baby. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. It smells like lemon cookies. That's so crazy. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. I need a lip scrub so bad. You guys don't even want to know the kind of lip scrub I was using before. It was from the dollar store, and it does not work. Okay, this is a upgrade if I ever seen one. It has the metallic top, so I think this was from his summer collection last summer. I don't know. And it looks like we have one item left. It's a mirror. I got a mirror in my last mystery box too. I got the Halloween mystery box. I didn't get the big one. I ended up getting the medium-sized mystery box, and I got a mirror in that one. I got an orange and black mirror that I do use very often. So this is exciting. Open it up and see. Ooh, you see that one, babe? That's nice. All right.
That's an exclusive.
Yeah, this is an exclusive Valentine's Day collection mirror. So this is it. Very, very, very nice. It's bigger than his other one. I actually have his other one in my drawer right here, and I can show you. This is nice. It's like round, and it can fit your whole face. Like, girl, you looking good, okay? I have his other one right here. As you can see, oh, it's so dirty. Don't judge me. But, you know, this shape is a little bit funkier. Your face, like, barely fits in it, but this is so big and so nice. I love this. I'm so excited about this mirror. So that was it on the items. All right, so I'm gonna break it down and kind of talk about each item and the price. So this bag retails for $35, and this bag I could not find. I'm sure this is an exclusive. Maybe I'm gonna say like $5. Okay, so my husband's adding up the total right now for me while I break down these prices. I got 3 liquid lips. And they retail for $18 a piece. I'm really excited about 2 of these. The green one, I don't know, you guys. I don't know. And I have 2 glosses, the gloss, and these also retail for $18 a piece. I got a lip scrub in Lemon Icebox Cookies. It smells delicious. This retails for $12. And then the mirror, $30 for the mirror. The Brain Freeze palette, the highlighter palette, $40 for this thing. I can't believe that. That's just crazy to me. That's probably why I never bought it, is because it's too expensive. Because mama's a cheap bitch. And the Blue Blood palette, which is the most expensive thing in the box, $52 for this bad boy. It's beautiful. I'm a little bummed it's broken, but you know, we'll figure that out. Also, the pop socket, I couldn't find it on the website anywhere. I really have no idea how much this is worth. And the grand total is $259, so add $10 maybe, so $269, and I paid $145. So I think it's worth it. My honest opinion, it's not as crazy as I thought it was going to be, honestly. Like, the hype building up to this, I was expecting like crazy shit. Like, and he said we got exclusive items. I'm not sure what is exclusive and what's not. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 Valentine's Day exclusives. The bag, the mirror, the gloss, and maybe the pop socket. I'm not sure. And then that little black bag. I don't know. So it is a really good deal for your money. I was expecting a little bit, I don't know, I just was expecting craziness, I guess. You know, the hype around it. He was like, we're going to blow out Christmas. We're going to blow out Halloween. I loved my Halloween box. I was jazzed about that one. This one, I really love. I was really, really hoping I got the blood sugar palette and not the blue blood palette. But, you know, beggars can't be choosers. I paid $145. I got all of this stuff. I'm pretty fucking stoked about it. Excited about the 2 palettes and the lip scrub. Honestly, hands down, those are my favorite things. Plus the mirror. This mirror is freaking awesome. So, overall, I think it was a pretty good mystery box. I'm really, really happy, and I can't wait for the next one. I get them every time. This is the first time I've ever been able to get a big box. Like, every time I get on that freaking website, I'm like, I'm gonna get on there right at the right time, and I go to check out, big boxes are gone every single time. This time, I had my phone out, my husband had his phone out, and we were on the laptop just trying to get one. Luckily, something happened with the, when they were launching, the scroll down button for the mobile devices was not working. So you could only select the small box. So we panicked. We were on the laptop. Thank God. Refreshed. It was good to go. I got the big box and got to check out really fast. It was really smooth on the computer. Flawless.
Only because we had the laptop going.
Yeah, only because we had the laptop. If we did not have the laptop out,
screwed.
I would have been screwed. And they didn't offer Afterpay, which I thought was really surprising, which I don't care, but I think that was something that Jeffree Star maybe could have like thrown out there and announced, like, hey, Afterpay isn't going to be available for the Valentine's Day exclusives this month. Usually the last 2 times I've gotten a box for Christmas and Halloween, Afterpay was always available. So I actually used Afterpay and got more items, and I was really excited about that. And this time, if Afterpay was available, I would have gotten another box. I would have got the medium box and even maybe the small box. But, you know, I got kids. I'm a mom. I can't afford all of that lump sum of money at once. $145 was a lot for me to just throw in a mystery box. But I really enjoy these, and they're my like guilty little pleasure. I love getting these things. It's like a little Christmas gift, you know, to myself every single time. So I really, really enjoyed them. Thankfully, my husband lets me get them because, you know, they're expensive. But it's not that he lets me get them. He supports me getting them. So hope you guys like this video. I am going to be doing reviews. The next one I have coming up is actually really interesting. I purchased a high mirror. If you don't know what a high mirror is, it's this guy right here. It is a mirror that also you can play YouTube on. It does a skin analyzer. This thing is awesome. I got it for Christmas. I want to do a review on that on YouTube. I can't really find anyone breaking it down and talking about it. There is some, I don't know, like there's some weird things about it. And I'm going to go over that in that review. That'll be coming next, you guys. I am going to be doing unboxings a lot. I love makeup. My channel's not just going to be sad stories about me going through hell, okay? Like, there's gonna be all different kinds of content on here. You know, we're gonna get some laughs. We're gonna do it, okay? So we're really excited. I'm really glad you're here, and please stick around, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will get more reviews coming out soon, more story times. We're gonna smash it out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.